guys, welcome. If you're new, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another video. Don't get scared. I know this look is scary. Please, this is not a Halloween look either. Just stay. For today's video, I will be unboxing my October Boxycharm box. This is the base box, premium box. This is the $25 one. I am so confused with the boxes, but this is the $25 one, and I'm in love with this box, you guys. I definitely use every single product in this box, minus one product, but you guys will see. Hopefully you stay and watch. Just a little hiccup with this video. This is the second time I'm filming this. Just to let you guys know, because the palette's been used, the brush has been used, so I don't want you to think that I don't know what I'm thinking that you would think, but just want to put that one out there. Yeah, so I hope you guys stay and watch this Halloween tutorial. Is that a Halloween tutorial? I know it looks scary, but it's not. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Give this video a thumbs up so I know that you guys are enjoying my content, and please do turn on the notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of my upload. And yeah, so if you guys want to see this look on the eyes with the palette in this box, and you want to see the rest of the products that I have in my October Boxycharm, then just keep on watching. You guys, before we get started with the box, something exciting happened with Boxycharm. Now you can go ahead and pick one item in your box. Yes, you can. You can go on their website and you can pick. Yes, you can pick. You can pick one product that you want for your monthly box. So that is pretty neat, right? I know that they used to do that and it's just poof, it disappeared, but now it's coming back. So I think that is pretty neat. You get to pick one product in there, or you can just go ahead and say, hey, you pick it for me. But I think it's nice that you can pick one item, at least one item in your box that you will like. I just wanna let you guys know that if you didn't know. So let's go ahead and start with brushes. This brushes, like I said, I've opened it, I used it, I cleaned it a little bit, so it looks a little bit clean. So I love that it came with a pouch. So this is the Wonderlust set from Luxie brushes, or Luxie Beauty. I love Luxie brushes. They just perform so good. They blend your shadows to perfection. I love it. It is my go-to brushes for sure when it comes to blending. I love it. Love the pouch. It has a rose gold zipper. So we have 5 pieces of rose gold. This is not the brush set, but it's inside. So we have 5 pieces of gold synthetic brush set inside. We have, let's see, we have tapered brush, we have blending brush, medium angled brush, a larger shader brush, and they added a brow and lash brush. And of course, it comes with this pouch. Yes, so I think that is so cute, but we need a bigger pouch than this for all of the brushes that we need, that we think we need. So yeah, so these are the brushes that I'm going to be using for the eyes today. Let's go ahead and move on to the palette, because we're going to be using this together. So this palette is from Ciate, London. This is their New England editor palette. The packaging is just gorgeous. It is so reflective. All of their products are just, the packaging is so cute. It is so reflective. I don't think I've used any of palettes from them, like eyeshadow palettes. I've used their blushes, their setting powders and whatnot, but I don't think I've used any of their eyeshadow palettes. So this is so cute, you guys. This is inspired by the New England in the fall. It is very soft and blendable shadows. It is a mix of richly pigmented hues, autumnal hues. Mix and match the metallic. So we have metallic, we have glitters and mattes in here. We're definitely gonna be dipping into this blues right here. We're gonna do the, I think there's only 4, yeah, there's only 4 mattes right here, and the rest are metallic and glitters. So it's definitely a gorgeous palette. You have everything that you need. This is definitely a year-round palette, so I really like this. So this retails for $32, so I think that is a pretty good price. Let's go ahead and start. I'm gonna prep the eyes. I'm gonna use a little bit of tape here so we can get that snatchy poo eyes. The first two shades that we're gonna take is this light one right here and this one right here. We're gonna go ahead and mix those. So dip it here and dip it here, just to save time. I'm just gonna dip on the light and then dark and then just put it on the crease. And now I'm just gonna dip on this one right here and just build up that shade. And now we're gonna take the dark brown, this one right here. We're gonna trace the outer V, and we're gonna trace that crease that we are gonna make. I'm still gonna use the small blending brush. We are gonna take this right here. I know this is a shimmer eyeshadow, but it's okay. We're gonna use it on the crease. It'll be okay. No worry. You know what? We are gonna use the angled brush in this collection, and we are gonna pack that shadow first. Yes, with shimmer, you want to pack your shadows first, and then you can blend it to your liking. There's a lot of fallout because I'm not tapping my brush. That's just how I like to play with my shadows. I feel like, you know, you get all of that product onto your lid. It's okay. I don't have my base yet, so I'm okay with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then I'm just gonna clean up this area right here with a concealer. So I'm not really happy how the eyes is going right now, but we're just gonna keep on going, you guys. We're just not gonna look back, and we're just gonna keep on going. So I'm really torn on what to put right here. I think I'm gonna use the green one. What do you guys think? Would that clash with the blue? Is that too Christmassy already? You know what? We're gonna play it safe, and we're gonna go with this one. We're gonna go with this one. And now I'm gonna take that small brush that we use, and we're gonna pick up that blue again, and we're just gonna blend right here. That is something that I love doing, just to blend this corner right here. I think it just makes such a big difference. You see that gradients though? And then I'm gonna keep back and forth with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, clean this up. I'm gonna put on a pair of lashes. I have no idea which one yet, so I'll let you guys know. The lashes that I use is from Flaunt Beauty. This is So Money Baby. This is in my Lashy box subscription, one of them. You guys check it out. I will link it right here. I just did a my October unboxing. I will link it right here. So let's move on to the next product in our box, which is a concealer, you guys. This is from Dose of Colors. So I've never used this concealer before. I didn't even know that Dose of Colors has a concealer. I am so out of it with new things in the beauty community, so it's good to be introduced to new things. This is why I love my subscriptions. So this is from Dose of Colors. This is Meet Your Hue Concealer. So this is multitasking full coverage concealer. It has a lightweight, easy to blend formula. It will conceal dark under eyes, circles, blemishes, and other skin imperfection, and this retails for $24. So on Boxycharm website, you can take a test. You can take a test so they can match you. So this is the shade that I got. It looks like it will match my skin tone rather than it would be a highlighting concealer, which is lately I've been liking concealer that just like one notch above my skin tone. So I like that. Let's see. Oh, this is good. Good color. Yes, this is a good color for me. We're just gonna do that for now, and I'm gonna use my $1 billion sponge, you guys. If you never tried this sponge, it will change your makeup game, you guys. I know it is expensive, but it is so worth it. So with the amount that I applied on my under eye, I can still see dark circles, so I probably have to layer another layer. But yeah, it says, did it say full coverage, right? It says it's a full coverage concealer. It is very lightweight on the skin. It does blend really good and easy. I'm gonna apply another layer. Yes, so it's definitely buildable. I think with a combination of this amazing sponge, just the way it blends our foundation, the concealer, it's just how it blends everything together. It's amazing. It makes such a big difference on the skin because it just looks so good on the skin, you guys. Wow. Wow. So even with that two layers, I can still see a little bit of like shadowing under my eyes, but it's okay. I'm not gonna apply anymore because that's, you know, too much already, but it's enough to cover what needs to be covered. So I'm good with that, and whatever's left, I'm just gonna, you know, apply it to where I need it. I'm really not into the whole super highlighted under eye anymore. I just, you know, like just a little tiny highlighted. So, look at my skin, you guys. And look at that. Hello. Let's tuck that in. So, but this concealer is really good, you guys. I like it. Oh, nice. So, I'm gonna go ahead and set that. Do the do the rest of my face. Everything that I'm going to be using is in the description below. Definitely check that out. So for the lower, I just use this blue one right here, and then I just use this shade right here to blend the bottom. And then I use a blue mascara. This is from Hard Candy. I picked this up at Walmart. This is in the shade Deep Dive, so that's what I have on the lower. And then, oh, in the inner corner, you guys, I wanted something different. I was just gonna use the highlighter that I use in here, the middle one, but I was like, you know what, we have a lot of colors on our palette, so why not use one of them? So I just picked this one right here and use it in the inner, so hopefully it didn't clash with everything else that we have with the eyes. It's okay, you know, I'm sure it will bring a little bit of something on the eyes. So moving back into our box, we have two more things. Let's dive into the lippies. So this one is from Ace Beauty. Beauty. This is their Beaute Lip Liner Duo. So there's two in here. Let's see, it's super pigmented liners that draw on smoothly and can be used to line lips or fill them in completely. Oh, and it includes sharpener at the base. Oh, I love that about lip liners. I have one of those that have that, so that is definitely comes in handy. And this duo right here is $16. So let's see the shade. I really don't want to do anything bold on the lips, I guess. You know, we want to do something not bold. Ooh, so we have a let's see the shades. So we have Be Peachy, this one, and then we have So Gorgeous. So I don't think we should use this one. It's just gonna clash with our eyes, but I'm gonna swatch them anyways. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look how pointy that is. Look, that is a gorgeous red. And this one is a Be Peachy. It's okay. No, go back in there. Problem solved. Oh, so definitely gonna be using that one today. So this is the shade that we have. We're definitely gonna use the Be Peachy one. Peachy. We're gonna use the Be Peachy one. It says that it has a sharpener. I need to push this in just a little tiny bit. Yes, thank you. We're gonna see. Okay, so we do have a sharpener right here. You can pull it out at the end, and then you can sharpen your pencil. So that is great. So I'm just gonna line my lips with this and also fill in the lips. Beautiful on the lips. I think that is definitely goes with the eyes, so I'm glad that we have this shade in the box. So it's definitely hydrating my cracked, chapped, crusty lips. The last product that we have in the box is something that I'm not gonna get to use, but I'm gonna use after I take off all of my makeup. So this is, let's see, this is from Symbiosis London. This is a tightening and resplendent eye mask. I had to repeat myself a few times, you know. My Tagalog self has to kind of take that in. We're like, what did you just say? So this eye mask right here will tighten, rejuvenate, and brighten the delicate eye area. So that's good because, you know, we are aging. It says that this eye mask is fortified with hyaluronic acid, collulan, as well as shea butter, and works to visibly reduce the puffiness and the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. So all of that I need. So definitely something that I'm gonna be trying. Oh, wait, what? So this tube right here has 0.50 fluid ounces, is $93. Wow. So definitely with that price point, definitely has to do something, right? It has to. So I'm definitely gonna be using this tonight, you guys. I am definitely in love with this box because we got a lot out of the eyeshadow palette. Love the lips. I'm gonna use the red one. I'm gonna use it for something for sure. The brushes, of course, Luxie Beauty. Their brushes. And you know, any brushes from them, it's a blessing because, you know, you need good brushes to create anything. So it's definitely a great thing to have in your box. That is everything I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Definitely go on my Instagram to see more details on the eyes. I added that little wing on the end, so you know my eye looks is not so boring and so repetitive. So, you know, trying to be creative here, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Thank you guys for watching, and like always, I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.